What's new about the 8020 data portal? Well, essentially it's all about building dashboards. You build your dashboard with the new analysis button, and it works similar to how the old extract system worked. Once you've built that dashboard, you can save those dashboards and share them with others. Alternatively, we can build dashboards for you and you can share them. You can also upload whatever data you've got into those dashboards and then save those and create a data story. If you click on New Analysis, it takes you to a similar menu structure for those of you that used to use Extract. This is the gold package you used to have access to. You can use the search function to find a variable that you're looking for, then select the database you want to look at, select a time period you want to look at, and then select the variables that you want to put into your crosstabs. So if we look at demographics, individual, we can look at ages, genders, population groups, and incomes. If we look at banking data, we can look at financial institutions and main bank. You can then pivot or trend the data. Trendable variables have this icon next to them. Not all variables can be trended. If you click on Pivot, it takes you to an online pivot table where you can put data in your rows and columns. Once you've done that, you have to click to refresh, and it'll create your data table. If we then sort for individuals, you've got the top banks by age in South Africa. You can also make a chart out of this data. You can export it into Excel or into a pivot table. You can look at it by individuals, observations, percentage of row, column, or index. You can transpose the data. You can get more information about this data set. You can also filter on data. You can create a custom segment. You can add, remove fields if you've forgotten something. And you can also go to a trending view. But in terms of building a dashboard, we have this one table. You can copy that and then change age group to gender. Copy that. Change gender to population group. And you can see that you're slowly building a story with data. Copy that, take this to a trend, and then trend main bank. What it does is it trends the banking numbers from as far back as it can, in this case 2008, to the most recent data set. So you can see here Capitec 319,208 to 5.2 million in 2015, the most recent data available. If you click on Show Forecast, you can see how it forecasts that data going out to 2020. And if you chart that, that's what it looks like. Here you can see Capitec, ABSA, First National Bank, Standard Bank, and Nedbank. Up to here we have data, and from here on we've done a forecast. You can then go back and say, this would probably look better as a correspondence plot. So there's a correspondence plot by bank and age. This might look better as a pie chart. Here's male by banking. Copy that and change it to females banking. And then this table might look better as a bar chart. And you have a number of different bar chart types you can look at. So what you can see is you're building up a story about data with a forecast at the end. And when you're done, save that. And then when you go to open saved, when you log in next time, you can see the data set that you just saved. that's how the system works. We've tried to keep it as simple and as easy as we can. We hope you like it. If you have any questions, contact us via our website, www.eighty20.co.za. Thanks for sharing.